Hello, I'm Guillaume, founder of Mineo games and also the creator of Vermin Exterminator, a PC VR game that's finalist in the Game Development World Championship in the Best VR Prototype category. But let me tell you more about its creation. In the heart of the COVID-19 pandemic, a president announced a lockdown in France. So with everybody at home, I wanted to play a role in all this, and I decided to deliver quickly a VR game in that period to bring some joy. And I told myself, if we have to wander around our house, we'd rather be searching and eliminating scary beasts, don't you think? And that's how Vermin Exterminator was born. In this game, you are an exterminator agent who has to quickly eliminate various kinds of vermin with his mighty gauntlet. And it's the core element of the game. Indeed, to take full advantage of VR, I imagine a unique gameplay in which you would select your weapon by rotating the gauntlet, load it with moving a lock, and firing by aiming with your arm. It also contains two screens on both sides of the arm as a better alternative to conventional HUDs. So yeah, if you're ready to face your fear, master the gauntlet, unlock all of its power and face all the vermins. Put on your VR handsets, go on itch.io and play Vermin Exterminator.